Hello and welcome to Maths by SARS. This is my fourth lesson of statistical averages. In this lesson, I'll teach you the statistical averages of group data. These lessons are equally important for D2, D3 students and the students who are preparing the CIE examination. In this lesson, I'll try to explain the statistical averages, that is mean, median and mode of the group data through the example. The example has been taken from the CIE examination papers. This is question number 11 of paper 1 of October-November 2009. Before going to the lesson, it's important that we should have the grasp on the basic concepts, formula and the language related to the concept. Let's move to the key terms of the lesson. That what is the mode for the group data? If you recall our previous lesson, we can see that mode is the value of x in front of the largest frequency. What is the mean? Symbol and formula for the mean for the group data is x bar equals to summation of f of x upon summation of f. It's really important for this topic to understand the formula and the language. Here, summation f of x means that we have to multiply frequency with the corresponding value of x, and then we have to add up the values, and whatever answer we are getting, we have to divide that answer with the total of the observations or total of the frequencies. Then the next thing is the median, and for that we have to understand the two formulas, one for the odd data and one for the even data. For odd data, the formula for the median will be n plus 1 over 2th observation, and for even data, the median will be n by 2 plus n plus 2 over 2 whole over 2th observation. And we should have the command on the tables, calculations and mental maths skills. Let's move to the question. The question says the table below shows the number of pets owned by the 20 families. The first part is find the model number of pets, and these are the marks in front of it. Find the mean number of pets, and then the last part is find the median number of pets. Let's solve and discuss each part one by one. Mod, really easy. That for the mod, we have to move into the frequency column. As we know that mod is the value of x in front of the largest frequency, so we have to move in the frequency column and we have to see that which frequency is the largest frequency. So if we look at the frequency column, we can see that 5 is the largest frequency here. So the model number of pets will be 1, because the mod says that it is the value of x in front of the largest frequency. Mod is really easy and it can easily give you 1 mark. Let's move to the second part of the question that says find the mean number of pets. If we recall the formula for the mean is summation f of x upon summation of f. It means that for this total, I need to multiply each frequency with the corresponding value of x, that I have to get these products. So let's quickly move to the product. 2 multiplied by 0 will be 0, then 5, then 2 multiplied by 3 will be 6, and then again 6. 4 times 4 is 16, then 1 times 5 is 5, 1 times 6 is 6, and 7 times 2 is 14. Now quickly add up to the sum column or summation column, that what will be the answer for summation of f of x. That will be 14, as this is a paper 1 question. So you should have the command on the oral calculations. 14 plus 6 is 20, 20 plus 5 is 25, 25 plus 5 is 30, and then what I have to do is 30 plus 12, that is 2, 42 plus 16, add them up carefully. This is 6 plus 2 is 8 and 4 plus 1 is 5. So answer for summation of f of x is 58. And what is the sum for the total of the frequencies? Total of the frequencies. One hint is given already in the question that total families are 20. Otherwise, you can quickly add up the frequency column. 2 plus 5 7, 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 2 12, 12 plus 4 16, plus 2 18, plus 2 20. This answer and the information given in the question must match. Summation of f is 20. Now quickly, very easy, insert the values in the formula, that is 58 by 20. Now again you should have the command on the tables, that which table is suitable for both 2 tens are and 2, how many times, 2 twos are and 2 nines are, 29 by 10, 29 by 10, 29 by 10, and remember the division of the zeros and multiplication of zeros, and mean will be 2.9. I hope you are clear about the model number of pets and the mean of the group data. Let's move to the last part of the question, that is the median number of pets. For the median, we have to see whether the data is even or odd. This sum tells us the data is even. So the formula that we have to use is the n by 2 plus n plus 2 over 2, n by 2 plus n plus 2 over 2 whole over 2 with observation RVATIO. Now what I have to do is I have to quickly construct the cumulative frequency column. So my first frequency will be as it is 2, then add up 2 to the next frequency, that is 7, then add up 7 to 3, that is 10, then add 10 to 2, it will give me 12, then 12 plus 4 is 16, 16 plus 1 is 17, add up 17 to 1, 18, and 18 will be added to 2, and this will be 20. Now what I have to do is I have to replace the values in the formula, that is 20 by 2 plus 20 plus 2 by 2 whole over 2 with observation will be my median. 20 by 2 is 10, and this is 22 by 2. 20 by 2 is 10, and this is 22, 11 by 2 at observation. Now what I have to do is I have to move in the cumulative frequency column, and I have to see where for the first time I'm getting 10. In front of that cumulative frequency, I have to see what is the value of x I'm getting, that is 2, and 11 is coming in front of 12. 11 is coming in front of 12, and the value of x in front of that is 3. 2 plus 3 by 2, that is 5 by 2 or 2.5 is my median. I hope you are clear about the statistical averages of the group data. These questions are really important for CA examination. I hope you are clear about the lesson. Please watch, like and share my lessons, and subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.